Where's my t-shirt?
Which colour?
The purple one.
Could be in a drawer.
Okay, yeah.
Little does he know, Janet's been up to.
Where's my arms? What's happened to my t-shirt?
Well, you know how you saw me sewing the other day? Don't you, David? Did you not wonder where it came from?
Look at my t-shirt.
Did you not wonder where it came from? Turn round. Also, the back. Aircon. In case you're wondering what we're doing, because we think once the lockdown comes out, they'll probably do the same as everybody else and say, right, you have to wear a face mask. Because we are who we are, we don't want to buy the face mask that they would use in the NHS or any other caring system because they are struggling. So Dave found online how to make face mask, and he's downloaded that and all the instructions to go with it.
And so it's a simple task of hand sewing. We might put some outtakes in at the end. So this is where my t-shirt went.
Yep.
In celebration of easing of some of the restrictions on lockdown, we've put the flags out. We're going to make a start now doing some little updates in the Galley. Always looking for little jobs. It's beige, and we'd started using stainless steels and greys. So we've got some of this design foley, DC fix. Sticky back plastic basically. It's the same material that we used on our work surfaces, and it's proved very durable and is heat proof. So we're going to use that on the fridge freezer and the Galley drawer and door fronts. Okay, one little surprise, that's the front panel. It's only a bit of hardboard. Just unscrewed that side trim, lifted it away, and there we go. So that's the freezer part. So the fridge will be the same. So the first task is to give it a good clean with acetone, just to get the grease off it. And there we go, that's the fridge door recovered. For freezer and fridge. It actually suits it in grey. We've recovered the doors and the drawers with the very pale grey, and it is a very pale grey. And what we've decided to do as a slight contrast is to change the backing, the actual framework, to a slightly darker grey, just so that it gives us that little bit of definition. And then the handles, instead of being the teak colour, we will ebonise, and again just to offset it. That will then match the black and the grey from the fridge unit. So once more, we've got a beautiful day. No idea how many days of lockdown we've had. Maybe you can see and tell from my haircut, but hey ho. So today we're carrying on in the galley and going to ebonize the handles. Never done that before, so hey ho. So we're starting, first thing I've done is I've masked off all of the new faces. And then this one we can't remove, can't get to the screws at the back, so I'm going to have to sand this in position, and so it's just take off and give them a light sand just to break through the varnish that's been put on, not very well either, and then we'll paint on the ebonizing product. So we're giving them all a light rub with sandpaper just to break the surface up. I've got plenty of bits of dust about, so we'll give them a clean now with a tack rag just to get all the bits off, get rid of all the dust, bits of dust, etc. Working our way down. So the product we're using to do the ebonizing is a black satin ebony from Ronseal, and it's supposed to do what it says on the tin. And so we've got the first coat on. Not gone on quite as nice as I'd hoped, but hey ho, we'll see. Takes 30 minutes to touch dry, but it needs another coat in 4 hours time, so I'll leave all the masking tape on and then we'll see what it looks like after that, and then possibly a third coat in another 4 hours time. So let's wait and see. So we just have to prepare the surface now for the final coat, prepare it and then mask it. So we just give it a very light rub with wire wool, just a clean piece of wire wool, just to dull the surface down a bit. You can still see a little bit of teak underneath, so that'll be its third and final coat, which is what Ronseal said it needed. And that's the final coat. Just give it half an hour or so to go off, and then we'll take all the masking off again and then just do final clean up. The overall facelift has been quite inexpensive. The vinyls cost around about £10 a roll, depending on the size, £5 to £10 a roll, and we've used a couple of rolls. And the ebony, it was about £10 for the tin, so say £30 in total for a facelift in the galley. That's not bad.
Nope.